pulse in your tongue. We can all listen in on Jason's conversation with his girlfriend. Okay, learn how you flop your tongue out as much as you can. Beautiful. I feel like you're pulling it back in. Yeah, that's better. Awesome. And I'm just going to have you tilt your chin. Perfect. Awesome. All right, Chantel. And we're going to focus on your breathing. I'm not trying to pick your nose. Awesome. When you're ready, my friend, I'm going to follow you. Great big breath in. And nice work. You're done. You're done. Beautiful job. Good job. You're so good. I'm just going to slide your jewelry through. Okay?
Ooh, good job.
Awesome. Big breath in one more time. Breathe it out. Good. Nice.
Woo!
Look how tough.
You're done.
Super
Yeah,
brave.
you're braver
And we
than
just
me.
started drilling. Okay. And then, there we go.
Oh my god, my eyes are watering, Carly.
How do you feel? Show us your tongue.
I can't.
Woo!
It's like shaking. That was fun.